Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't made a video in so long, but today I have a spooky nail tutorial. And so far what I have done is I glued the tips onto my practice hand and I'm going in with filing. If you guys want a video all dedicated to nail filing and nail shaping, I definitely will do that because it took me a while to get the shape that I wanted, and I could give you guys some tips on how to get that good shape. So here I'm just going in with filing, and if this was a real person, I would have pushed back the cuticles first, and then I would apply the tips, shape the tips, remove the shine from the nail, blend in the nail tips, and as you guys will see, I do blend in the nail tips with this nail training hand. And of course, if this is a real person, you would apply your primer and your dehydrator and then primer, and you'll get ready for your acrylic application. And I do want to mention that when I do full sets colored acrylic, I do apply a base of clear first and then I apply my colored acrylic, but for this video I did not do that. On the pinky, I'm going in with Marilyn by Glam and Glitz, and I love this black because it is so pigmented, you barely even need a lot of products. On the pointer finger, I'm going in with Milky White by Glam and Glitz, the Color Blend collection. And as you guys know, this color is literally like so popular, and I love how it turned out with this set. And I do want to mention that the white looks a little bit weird on one side than the other. Like, it looks like there's a lump in it, but I really do believe that it's the angle I was at, because from the top view, like, it was not looking like that at all. So I don't really know. It was just the angles. But now I'm going in with another Glam and Glitz color, and it is in the shade Red Bikini. As I'm waiting for the middle finger to dry, I'm going in with the color Jessica by Glam and Glitz, and as you guys can see, this color is also very pigmented. I'm going back in with that Maryland color, and you guys, this color was so hard to blend into an ombre. As you guys can see, I'm struggling here. And then I had to go back in with that red bikini color to go on top and blend those two colors together, because this black was so pigmented. Like, it was no joke to blend that at all. Like, I was really struggling, but you guys will see how I fixed that. So now I'm going in with Mia Secret's clear acrylic to encapsulate these colored acrylics and build an apex, because with colored acrylic you can build an apex, but you will have to encapsulate it because when you go into file, you will file that color away, and trust me because I've learned that the hard way. Now going in with the 8080 grit file, and as you guys can see, I did tap the nail before filing to make sure that it was fully dry. And now I'm just going in to reshape, because you know when you apply your acrylic sometimes you do lose on that shape. And this entire set I did by hand. I did not use a drill, so I just made sure to make everything smooth, and I'm holding the nail down because if this was a real person you do want to hold the nail because it can hurt them. The rest of my filing and buffing I did off camera because I was not even in frame, which I am mad about. But the most important thing is the designing, which is now. So in the pointed finger, I am creating a mummy, and I'm going in with a black polish. Any black polish is good. This is regular polish, it's not gel. And I'm going in with an OPI nail art brush. You can get it at your local nail supply store or online. And I'm just creating 2 lines going across. And you guys will see me struggle, and I'm going to include that in the video because I just want to let you guys know that, like, don't give up and keep going if you mess up. This is my first time ever doing something like this. So I was really excited with the results and how it came out. I'm just going in with a cleanup brush and acetone to clean up any little mistakes or little excess polish. Now I'm going in with like diagonal lines. This is kind of hard to explain, so I'm just going to let you guys watch and see how to do this design. Now this is where I messed up because I was like, this looks a little bit like it has too much white, so I thought maybe I could make some more like zigzag lines, and it did not work out well. I did not like it at all, so I ended up taking it all off and I redid the bottom section. Now to create the eyes of the mummy, I'm just going in with white polish, and then I'm going to be going in with the same dotting tool. On the other side, it's a smaller ball, and I'm going to create the little black so it's like the eyeball. After I did the mummy, I realized that I should have not done this transfer foil glue after. I should have done this first and then the mummy. But while that's going to dry, I am going in with red rhinestones on the pinky. And I am using Mia's Secret just for this video. But I do not use Mia's Secret gel resin because I've had very bad luck with it. The rhinestones don't last for me. I've been using Zule nail adhesive, and my customers been coming back and their nails literally last almost a month with their rhinestones on. Some of them fall off, but you know, that's just normal. And I'm going in with a wax pencil, and I'm going in with small rhinestones around the cuticle. Now that the transfer foil glue is dry, I am going in with some Halloween design transfer foils that I got on Amazon, and I'm going in with a spider web. And I was scared that these weren't gonna work because with this transfer foil glue I've had bad luck in the past, but I did use it on one of my friends the other day, and her nails are still on with the transfer foil. And I'm just letting that be there for a little bit. After that, I'm going in with a bat and a candy corn. On the ring finger, when I was taking the transfer foil off the bat's wing wasn't fully on, so I did go ahead and paint that one a little bit more. And I made sure that the polish was fully dry, and I'm going in with a gel top coat by IBD Gel Non-Cleanse Top Coat. And I really love this top coat. And I'm going to cure these for 60 seconds. So this is how they turned out, and I absolutely love how it came out. And you guys can do this so quick and easy too for your clients or on yourself or to practice. And these are perfect for Halloween. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.